Tesla's cost breakdown elucidates the methodology behind their competitive pricing structure. The primary expenses, encompassing the battery, motor, and assembly, aggregate to approximately $9,999. This financial architecture is significantly bolstered by their strategic partnerships and advanced manufacturing techniques. In addition, state and local incentives substantially mitigate the effective price of the Model 2. For instance, rebate programs in states such as New York have the potential to lower costs further, thus enhancing the overall affordability of the vehicle. Moreover, the Model 2 features an impressive range of 200 to 250 miles per charge, which qualifies it for elevated rebate levels. This commendable range establishes it as a competitive option within the burgeoning electric vehicle market. Further incentives in California, which include a partial sales tax exemption and additional rebates from local utilities, serve to make electric vehicles more financially accessible for the average consumer. These financial incentives can translate to significant savings. In alignment with its pricing strategy, Tesla has opted to absorb the sales tax costs for the initial 15,000 units of the Model 2. This move demonstrates Tesla's commitment to expanding electric vehicle sales volume rather than merely catering to a luxury market, underpinned by robust software revenue projections. Additionally, the Model 2 specifically targets emerging markets, with ambitious plans to sell 5 million units by 2028. This strategic focus prioritizes affordability in regions such as Asia and Africa, thereby reflecting Tesla's aspirations to revolutionize the global electric vehicle landscape. Technologically speaking, the Model 2 incorporates AI-5 chips that significantly enhance its performance, rendering it 10 times swifter than earlier models. This cutting-edge technology ensures continuous refinement through regular software updates. The Model 2 is further distinguished by its advanced battery chemistry, utilizing lithium iron phosphate batteries which markedly reduce the risk of fire when compared to conventional vehicles. This innovation not only enhances performance but also elevates safety for drivers. Tesla's implementation of over-the-air updates has effectively rectified previous GPS navigation challenges, thereby enhancing the reliability of the Model 2. The latest updates have resulted in a significant improvement in navigation accuracy for end users. In terms of safety, the Model 2 features a robust design characterized by a strong glass roof and a durable steel frame, aiming to achieve an esteemed 5-star crash rating. These design elements not only elevate durability but also enhance passenger protection. Furthermore, the Model 2 is marketed not solely as a vehicle but as an investment in family safety and peace of mind. The strategic emphasis remains on making electric vehicles accessible to a broader audience. Tesla's pricing strategy for the Model 2 cultivates a sense of urgency, indicating that the $9,999 offer may not endure indefinitely. This approach is informed by both economic realities and strategic considerations. Tesla's Model 2 is positioned as an affordable option in the electric vehicle (EV) market, with a price tag of $15,990. This model not only prioritizes affordability but also integrates advanced technologies designed to adapt to user habits and preferences. Its introduction has the potential to redefine market dynamics within the EV sector. In considering the broader context, the significance of the Model Y cannot be overlooked. It has emerged as Tesla's most commercially successful vehicle, establishing its dominance as a leading electric SUV on a global scale. This success illustrates the profound impact Tesla has had on the automotive industry and the accelerating shift towards electric mobility. Elon Musk's vision for a $25,000 electric vehicle underscores the inherent challenges of producing affordable EVs. These challenges primarily stem from prohibitive battery costs and ongoing supply chain disruptions affecting critical materials, such as lithium. Addressing these issues is vital for broader market acceptance and sustainability. The design ethos of the Model 2 intends to reflect Tesla's well-known minimalist aesthetic while strategically utilizing cost-effective components, thereby ensuring that the competitive price point of $25,000 is achieved. This approach enables affordability without sacrificing design integrity, thereby appealing to a wide range of consumers. Speculation surrounding the Model 2 suggests that it may be available in two distinct body styles, a hatchback and a crossover. This strategic versatility could effectively address varying consumer preferences, particularly in urban settings where adaptability is paramount. Furthermore, the Model 2 is anticipated to share roughly 80% of its components with its crossover variant. This design strategy is expected to streamline production processes and significantly reduce costs, mirroring the architectural efficiencies realized with the Model 3 and Model Y. The incorporation of lithium iron manganese phosphate (LMFP) batteries within the Model 2 design could potentially decrease battery costs by up to 30%. This advancement is particularly noteworthy as it aligns with a broader trend in the industry, where various manufacturers are beginning to adopt similar technologies. Moreover, Tesla's structural battery packs, which integrate the battery into the vehicle's chassis, contribute to a production process that is lighter, safer, and cost-effective.
This innovative approach signifies a substantial advancement in automotive manufacturing design.
Additionally, the gigacasting process, which employs large-scale machinery to produce major components, significantly enhances production efficiency while concurrently reducing build times. This methodology is critical for achieving the projected price point of the Model 2. Production of the Model 2 is expected to take place at Giga Shanghai, where optimized production lines have been developed to facilitate the rapid and efficient manufacture of vehicles. This capacity is essential for adequately meeting anticipated consumer demand. In pursuit of maintaining low production costs, Tesla is investigating the integration of Optimus robots within assembly lines. This revolutionary approach has the potential to significantly lower labor expenses, thereby transforming the landscape of automotive production. The prospective annual production scale of 500,000 to 1 million Optimus units by 2026 indicates a substantial evolution in manufacturing capabilities. If realized, this could enable faster and more efficient vehicle production, further solidifying Tesla's position in the competitive EV market. The production of the Model 2 is set to commence in June, leveraging Tesla's specialized production line, which is designed to ensure a streamlined and efficient manufacturing process. This initiative aligns seamlessly with the company's overarching commitment to enhancing affordability and accessibility. Tesla has confirmed that the Model 2 will incorporate a compact battery pack, ranging from approximately 50 to 53 kilowatt-hours, utilizing cost-effective lithium iron phosphate technology. This technological choice significantly contributes to the vehicle's overall affordability. Recent market trends indicate a notable decline in the costs associated with battery materials, particularly lithium and cobalt, which have experienced significant reductions since 2022. This decline plays a critical role in sustaining the competitive pricing of the Model 2. Battery costs for lithium iron phosphate, LFP, have plunged dramatically from $110 per kilowatt-hour in early 2023 to approximately $53 in early 2025, exemplifying cost-effective production capabilities. Such reductions are vital for enhancing the affordability of electric vehicles. The Model 2 embodies a minimalist design philosophy, featuring essential components such as basic audio systems and cloth seats, which aim to reduce production costs. These deliberate design choices are anticipated to facilitate a final price point below $15,000. Tesla's innovative motor design, which employs ferrite magnets, is projected to yield savings of approximately $1,000 compared to conventional motors. This inventive approach underscores the ambition to deliver an affordable electric vehicle without compromising on operational performance. While the Model 2 is tailored for budget-conscious consumers, its design and performance attributes may not meet the expectations of customers who anticipate the premium experience associated with existing Tesla models. This potential trade-off could have implications for overall sales performance. The production of the Model 2 at Giga Shanghai enables Tesla to harness a low-cost supply chain, thereby enhancing affordability for American consumers. This strategy is pivotal in maintaining competitive standing against established automotive brands. Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy poses a significant challenge to the market dominance of Chinese automakers such as BYD, compelling these competitors to consider price adjustments in order to remain viable within the global market landscape. Such dynamics could potentially alter the trajectory of the electric vehicle industry. The Model 2 is poised to appeal to an older demographic, with projections indicating that approximately 50% of deliveries will target customers aged 65 and above by 2028. This demographic shift exemplifies evolving consumer preferences within the marketplace. Tesla's established infrastructure and production capabilities uniquely position the company to effectively scale Model 2 production in conjunction with its other vehicle offerings. This strategic advantage fortifies their competitiveness within the automotive sector. The projected pricing of the Model 2 at around $15,000 has the potential to disrupt existing market dynamics, particularly in regions sensitive to price fluctuations. This pricing paradigm is strategically designed to attract significant interest from first-time electric vehicle buyers. BYD's competitive pricing strategy, with cars available for as low as $9,000, is drawing in numerous buyers and overshadowing Tesla's earlier pricing models. This trend underscores the changing dynamics within the electric vehicle market. Additionally, the elimination of the $7,500 federal tax credit presents a considerable hurdle for Tesla, complicating the affordability of the Model 2 and potentially hindering its success in the marketplace. While Tesla touts advanced production techniques and innovative features, the Model 2's design appears to incorporate cost-cutting measures, such as fewer luxury amenities, which may disappoint dedicated Tesla enthusiasts. To achieve savings, Tesla has implemented key cost reduction strategies, including the use of fabric seats and steel wheels, together conserving up to $1,000 per vehicle. These adjustments support Tesla in maintaining competitive pricing. Moreover, the introduction of a 53 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery is set to lower costs and enhance durability, all while providing users with an impressive range of approximately 240 miles. Tesla's new lithium iron phosphate battery factory in Nevada is poised to further reduce battery costs by $1,500 to $2,000 per pack, thereby bolstering their domestic production capabilities. In addition, the innovative Gigapress technology streamlines the manufacturing process, cutting production time for the Model 2 down to just 15 seconds, marking a significant advancement in Tesla's production efficiency. Elon Musk's strategy includes a clear segmentation of models to prevent sales cannibalization between the Model 2 and Model Y. This careful distinction in features is crucial for fostering customer loyalty to both models. Designed for practicality and cost-effectiveness, the Model 2 features a single rear motor providing a 240-mile range, catering to consumers seeking affordable electric vehicles without demanding high-performance capabilities. Notably, the Model 2's all-wheel drive variant accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 5 seconds, emphasizing Tesla's commitment to performance even within its budget range, marking a significant leap over the rear-wheel drive version. Moreover, Chinese manufacturers such as BYD and NIO are gaining ground in the affordable EV sector with competitive pricing and sophisticated supply chains, effectively posing a substantial threat to Tesla's market dominance. Finally, Tesla's strategy encompasses not only the launch of new models but also enhancements to existing vehicles, aiming to captivate consumer interest in long-range electric vehicles. This dual approach is vital for maintaining relevance in a swiftly evolving market. Traditional manufacturers of electric vehicles prioritize maximizing driving range, which often results in consumer apprehension regarding potential battery depletion before reaching charging stations. In contrast, Tesla's approach reframes this perspective by shifting the emphasis away from mere range metrics. Tesla's innovative dual-cell charging system effectively divides the battery into two independent segments. This design not only enables accelerated charging but also minimizes heat generation, contributing to enhanced battery longevity and overall performance. The Model 2 introduces the capability to significantly increase driving range within a brief charging interval, thereby transforming user interaction with electric vehicles. Consequently, rapid charging becomes an integrated aspect of daily routines, rather than an interruption. Furthermore, the incorporation of wireless charging technology in the Model 2 substantially improves convenience while reducing wear on charging cables by approximately 60%. This advancement extends the lifespan of accessories by an estimated 2 to 3 years, promoting a tidier interior environment. In addition to these features, the advanced Sentry Mode system incorporates 8 high-resolution cameras alongside ultrasonic sensors, significantly enhancing security measures. This comprehensive system has demonstrated a greater efficacy in resolving incidents compared to conventional alarm systems. Finally, a cost analysis reveals that the Model 2 incurs notably lower energy expenses, averaging around $253 annually. In comparison, traditional vehicles typically average about $2,000 in energy costs. This stark contrast underscores the economic advantages that electric cars present. The Model 2 is set to offer both rear-wheel drive options priced at $16,990 and an all-wheel drive variant, addressing the diverse preferences and budgets of consumers. This strategic pricing is designed to attract a broader customer base and enhance market penetration. In Tesla's development process, the Model 2 undergoes continual refinement based on initial customer feedback. This iterative approach ensures that subsequent buyers benefit from significant upgrades and enhancements, thereby underscoring Tesla's unwavering commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Nevertheless, despite its reduced price point, the Model 2 is expected to incorporate design elements shared with the Model Y and Model 3. It is anticipated that the Model 2 will outperform numerous budget electric vehicles in terms of technology and features, potentially aiding Tesla in reclaiming its competitive advantage in the market. Moreover, the Model 2's compact dimensions, approximately 15% shorter than the Model Y, render it particularly suitable for urban settings. This difference in size significantly enhances its maneuverability, thereby simplifying parking and navigation in congested environments. In an effort to reduce production costs, Tesla has opted to replace leather seating with fabric upholstery, eliminate seat ventilation, and transition to a manual liftgate. These modifications considerably lower manufacturing expenses while maintaining a focus on functionality. Furthermore, Tesla intends to implement a new motor design featuring ferrite magnets, which could result in a cost reduction of approximately $2,000 per motor in comparison to existing models. This initiative aligns with their overarching goal of producing more affordable electric vehicles for a wider audience. The Cybercab is projected to debut in 2026, with a Model 2 likely following shortly thereafter. This timing allows the Model 2 to benefit from an established production line, thereby ensuring timely delivery to eager consumers. The Model 2 is anticipated to feature a smaller footprint and could resemble a compact crossover, which aligns more closely with prevailing market preferences and trends, in contrast to the design of the Cybercab. Additionally, Tesla's robotaxi service, currently utilizing Model Y vehicles, is focused on establishing safety protocols and gathering data to enhance its autonomous driving technology in preparation for the eventual launch of the Cybercab. The Model 2 is poised to sustain Tesla's profitability over the upcoming decade, directly responding to the competitive pressures from firms such as BYD, which offer low-cost electric vehicles. This strategic positioning has the potential to significantly alter market dynamics. In contrast to its predecessors, the Model 2 emphasizes affordability rather than luxury features, thus appealing to budget-conscious consumers. This shift is expected to broaden Tesla's customer base considerably, making electric vehicles more accessible. The production strategy for the Model 2 involves optimizing existing assembly lines to reduce costs, as opposed to the establishment of new production facilities. This method not only enhances efficiency but also streamlines the manufacturing process. To maintain its low price point, the Model 2 forgoes several luxury features, such as synthetic leather seats and power lift trunks. This strategic decision is essential for Tesla to sustain its competitive edge in a rapidly evolving market. Efficiency in production stands as a pivotal consideration for the Model 2, with the potential for assembly in just 30 seconds by utilizing shared production lines with the Model Y. This development could establish new benchmarks for Tesla's manufacturing speed. The Model 2 will incorporate a smaller, more economical LFP battery, which significantly reduces costs in comparison to the Model 3. This choice aligns with the vehicle's urban-centric range of 257 miles, catering to the needs of city dwellers. Cost optimization within Tesla's manufacturing processes entails the utilization of ferrite magnets for motors, which notably lowers production costs. This method can result in savings of up to $2,000 per vehicle, thus enhancing overall affordability. Despite the Model 2's comparatively less powerful motor, its primary appeal lies in its affordability. This model is strategically targeted towards consumers seeking economical electric vehicle options, rather than high-performance features. The Model 2 represents a strategic response to the growing competition from affordable electric vehicles in the market. Its success is critical for sustaining Tesla's growth momentum amidst increasingly challenging sales conditions. Designed to leverage cost-effective technologies, such as gigapress and localized battery production, the Model 2 reflects Tesla's strategic commitment to minimizing expenses. This approach is aimed at enhancing global scalability and operational efficiency. If the Model 2 achieves commercial success, it could emerge as Tesla's top-selling vehicle, thereby dominating the affordable EV segment, much like the iPhone transformed the smartphone landscape. This potential impact underscores its significance in the industry. Furthermore, the Model 2 has the capacity to establish a new standard for accessible electric vehicles, offering advanced features and technology at a competitive price point. This differentiation from luxury models, such as the Model Y, further highlights its value proposition. The Model 2 is meticulously engineered to be an economically accessible electric vehicle, with a price point of $15,990. Notably, it integrates advanced features such as autonomous delivery capabilities. This strategic combination of affordability and cutting-edge technology is essential for achieving widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Evaluating the electric vehicle market, batteries represent a substantial cost variable, which complicates the pursuit of economically viable models. In response to this challenge, Tesla's innovative battery architecture is designed to mitigate these costs, thereby enhancing the overall accessibility of electric vehicles within the market. In terms of market strategy, Tesla aims to broaden its vehicle portfolio with the introduction of the Model 2, a subcompact crossover that addresses an existing gap in consumer offerings. This strategic initiative is indicative of Tesla's keen awareness of consumer preferences and prevailing market trends. Furthermore, the Model 2 is anticipated to be